I found out na adagayan kita itong tibinggit. So I met this one anthropologist in UP, Cordillera Museo here. So I met Annalyn Amores. Kung nanapiman, di ba taga Benguet ka? Why don't you get the Benguet tattoo? So it's like, adaba? Then,
because like yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung notion lang natin sa mga nagtatattoo, special in my case is taga-buntok lang. Yan. And then I heard about Tuang Od back then in 2009. So tiamuk lang nung nagtatato, ito'y tribe of the Cordillera is buntok on Kalinga.
Yeah.
And then you're saying now that ada iti Benguet, according to the anthropologist.
But also, so when she mentioned about that, it's Apuano. And Apuano is from my place,
your place,
na Balikong. And then I asked my dad, sabi ko sa tatay ko, ako what about the tattoo tako ay Benguet? What about sino sa Apuano? And then he said, yes, we have. Why you never talk about it? And he said that because there's nothing to talk about. It's like, no. That's very important to me. So the tattoo ni Apuano I copied in my ditoy.
Oh, really?
So this is more Benguet.
Oh yeah.
So Benguet.
But the pattern, is it the same as the pattern on the hand of Apuano?
No, it's mixed. So ditoy is Ima na. I can show you later. This one is Ibaloy tattoos. Ditoy mostly ditoy ko ni Apuano until So di tinangalakti patterns. Although there is not much research about nya nga meaning dagiti tattoos.
Right.
But then traveling around bago kasi agpa tattoo ti full sleeve, I travel the whole Cordillera. Kasi I wanted to learn or to understand more what's the meaning of tattoos. I want to, kasi how can I explain my tattoos if I, and I never planned to get a full sleeve tattoos. But then learning all about this tattoo culture, I realized that the tattoos are very what do you call that? It's very beautiful story. It's our identity as in Igorot. And I realized that we are so lucky that we have this culture. Not everyone has their own identity, di ba? Dagi jada dumangay kat maki-identity da lang kasi wala sila. But then of course, it's hard for me to open up this topic about tattoos kasi nga we were Christianized.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.